Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of personal financial literacy, annual salaries. This is standard 6.14H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 23 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Yvonne is researching the effect of education on annual income, and there actually is a pretty big effect. So the summary for research shows the annual income of, we've got 3 different levels of education. So our lowest level of education here is a high school diploma. So we're all very familiar with that. We get that at the end of high school. And most of us are very familiar with this bachelor's degree. So this is a 4-year degree, and you get that from a college or university. What some of us might not be familiar with is what's in the middle. And what is this associate's degree? Well, the associate's degree, I'll look at it over here. Associate's degree is a 2-year degree, and it is an actual degree, and you cannot get it at a what we call a 4-year college or a traditional college. These are typically going to come from your community college. So you might have a community college run by maybe your county, run by your state, run by the city, and it's a 2-year degree. And it's on the same level. Sometimes you get an associate's degree, and sometimes you might not go to a community college, but you might go to a trade school for maybe plumbing or welding. And you might get either a degree or certificate there, and that's on that same level. But as you notice, as you go from your high school, so this is 0 years of college, and then you get your associate's is 2 years of college, and then your bachelor's is 4 years of college. Well, as you can see, your annual income increases greatly. So here's our question and what the standard is talking about. What is the effect of your education on your annual outcome? Well, your annual income actually increases the more education you get, because you get more training, you get more knowledge, and you get more skills. So let's see what this actual problem is asking us to do, and that's going to be down here now that we've kind of analyzed this table. Based on the data in the table, how much more, so that's subtraction right there, does a person with an associate's degree earn than a person with only a high school diploma over 10 years? All right, so associates minus high school, and I'm going to kind of do this in 2 chunks. It says over 10 years, so I'm just going to do the associates minus high school over 1 year, the annual income, because annual means 1 year. And then I'm just going to take that, and then I'm just going to multiply that by 10. Be a little bit simpler. So let's take our 40,820. Let's take our high school, 33,904. And we're going to go back and do some 4th grade math here, do a little subtraction with a whole bunch of regrouping. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 minus 0 is 1, 8 minus 9 can't do it, cannot borrow from the thousands, we got to go all the way to the 10,000s. I'm going to take away 1 10,000. Now remember, we're not going to put that over in the hundreds. That's a 10,000 that I just took away. We're going to have to break that up into 10 1,000s, take away a 1,000, break that up into 10 hundreds. Now I'm good to go. That's 9. 6, so 6,916, which, unfortunately, take a look at this, it is one of our answer choices. It's exactly one of our answer choices, and it's the wrong answer, because we need to multiply it by 10. Remember, it says 10 years. Well, and what we do is when we multiply by 10, all we do is we just add a 0. Remember, that's one of our multiply by 10 rules. We just add a 0, which means the answer is not A, my answer is going to be D.